Hi everyone, it's Sabrina, the marketing manager of IDEA. Welcome to IDEA booth. So for this year, we also showcased our 22-inch devices with interface software. Basically, this 22-inch touchable display, it's a 10-point multi-touch and a built-in with stereo speaker. And also, this year we're using interface software to showcase the experience center scenario. So imagine that you're entering a corporate receptions and you can see a kiosk that's showing all the information about your corporate. So if you tap in, you can see a detailed information of the products, and if you go out, you can actually leave your customers' information within these devices with the interface software. So if you need more information, please come to IDEA booth or visit our website at www.idea.com.